Hello, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make money from YouTube. Stay tuned. This is a very simple strategy that works, and I'm going to prove it.
Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now.
Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you some methods on how to make money online by using YouTube. And I understand that there are other videos out there that promise the moon but underdeliver or even lie through their teeth. And it's unfortunate, but you can make money at home. And this is a super simple way of doing this. So if you want to make maybe $40,000 per channel, then you need to watch this all the way to the end. And I'm going to show you how you can be successful and make a lot of money online.
Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now.
All right, guys, let's get right into it. So we are in YouTube right now. This is my own sign in where I go in and I check out all these videos and stuff like that. But this is not exactly what we're going to be doing, watching videos and how to make money watching videos. No, we are going to actually create videos. So the first thing that you need to understand is that if you are going to make money on YouTube, you need to be part of the YouTube partnership. Now that's an entirely different video. I'm not going to get into that right now. But what I will tell you is that you do need to get onto that partnership program in order for this to work for you and make money. All right? With all that said, let's go into how to make this work. You need to set up a channel. Now, if you're new to YouTube, you need to go through how to set up a channel and also to get onto the partnership. Again, those are separate videos, okay? There's tons of information on how to do that online and to get to being a partnership and setting up your channel, as well as getting traffic to your videos, okay? So yeah, we can set up a video, and unfortunately a lot of people get this wrong. They think that, oh, I could just go ahead and make a video and have it come up onto YouTube and it'll get views. Wrong. YouTube is set up in such a fashion that it's a popularity contest. Well, Bob, how am I supposed to get a lot of traffic to these videos? I mean, what's the point? The point is that you got to make your videos simple and easy to follow. So, with all of that said, let's keep moving here. Let's pretend, just for now, that you have a YouTube channel and that you are on the YouTube partnership. Okay? Now what? You have to focus on what your channel is all about. But to really narrow this down on how to make money using YouTube, you really need to focus on several different areas, okay? And what I would suggest for the beginner who hates getting in front of a camera and doing what I'm doing, this is going to be super easy for you. So let's begin. We are now on socialblade.com, and we looked up a user that has a channel. The user's Lounge V Films. That's the channel name. Okay, user or channel name, same thing. And we are on socialblade.com, which will tell you all the ins and outs about how a channel is working, right? Now, I am sure that there are other people showing similar information. This information is brand new. Social Blade has kind of reworked their math, I guess you could say, on how people are making money online. Before, this channel was being shown making over $100,000 a year. Now they've basically cut it almost in half, a little more than half. So this channel is actually making anywhere from $3,000 per year up to $48,000 a year or more. All right here. And you can go down here and see day by day how the channel is doing. Like on Tuesday, they didn't make any money. But Monday, they made anywhere from $8 to $133. So, guys, what I'm trying to tell you is that if you are watching a video on how to make money online by using YouTube, and they are showing you clickbaity type of numbers, like, oh, you can make $100,000 a month on YouTube. No. It doesn't work that way. This is much more realistic and honest. And thank you, Social Blade, for doing this. But hey, $253 to up to $4,000 a month. Hey, that's pretty good. All right, and how they are doing it is really kind of interesting. If we go over to Lounge V Films on YouTube, I'm going to show you something. They don't put up a lot of videos. Okay? Let's go over to videos. And you can look on the screen and see. So they have full-length films in 4K. All right, so the last one that they put up was 2 months ago. And then they didn't put up a video for 3 months. So they're only putting this up very sporadically. But look at the views on how many views they're getting. They only put up two videos last year. And they're making $48,000 a year? Holy smokes, what are they doing? Here's the key. And I'm going to show you how they do it. But look at this. I mean, 5 months ago, 1 year ago, 1 year ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. So they only put up 3 videos last year. And they're getting 4 million views. Hello? Are you getting the picture here? How do they do this? Okay, well, I'm going to show you. Okay, so they use many different types of sound websites that are free that anybody can download. And they also use another site called Pexels, or something that is very similar, where they can actually get a picture down or they can get a video down. Now, Lounge V Films is not the only channel online that uses relaxing beach type sounds and pictures. But this is so easy, guys. I think you are understanding what I'm going to do next. So when you get onto Freesound, you have to register. It's pretty simple. Just go through all the different prompts and then log in. And what you want to search for are like beach sounds or relaxing sounds. So you go over to sound here. Like you don't want eating chips, right? But you want something that's like, let's type in beach. So the sounds of the waves, right? Or something that is relaxing. Maybe even it doesn't have to be waves. It could be rain, right? Something that's atmospheric, that is ambient, that is relaxing. Because people love these videos. Look at where I'm pointing, right? And it helps people sleep and relax and just chill out and go, right? And that's what we want to help people, because these things, this is a very popular niche, okay? And we want to capitalize on that. So what you want to do is combine the sound with a picture. It doesn't have to have any motion in it. It could just be a picture of a nice beach, right? So you type in beach, and all of these sites are free, guys. You know, right there, you can see it with waves crashing. So you can get videos, motion videos, or you can get just a picture of a beach. Because if you're relaxing, right, what's happening? Most people that are listening to this, their eyes are closing and they are falling asleep. So you combine those. So how do you combine them? Well, you use a free video editing software. What I use, I am on a Mac, and if you're on a Mac, you have iMovie. So you download the picture and you download the sound and you bring those together, and that's it. And then what you do is loop it. So you can loop it for an hour long. You can loop it how long you want it, like 8 hours of sleep. That's great. But what Lounge V Films is doing is that they're keeping it like 2 hours, they're 8 hours, and they're doing it in 4K. Most of their videos are in 4K. It takes a very long time for these videos to load up. And this is probably why they only do like 3 or 4 a year. So you load that up. And what this will do, guys, because it's a new channel and you do something for an hour long, that's going to help you get to the YouTube partnership faster. That's the key. This is why I said don't skip ahead, right? Before. And you want to go step by step by step, right? This channel has over 500,000 subscribers, right? And so it will take time for that to build up. You're not going to get 5,000. All you need is 2,000, maybe 1,000 subscribers. I forget. But there are other videos out there. I am a member of the partnership program, and it took me about 3 months to get there, and I'm there. You can do it faster by doing videos that are over an hour long, right? You know, an hour long with 1.2 million subscriber or views, bang, you're there. So you get that watch time. So you combine those and you use a software like iMovie, and you put that together. It's very self-explanatory, guys. It's so simple. If you are on a PC, there are other software out there that you can download for free. I know you can use the one that is in Windows. I used to have Windows, and it was a good program to use. You could use that. So you don't need to buy anything to make videos, basically. So you just combine all that, and then you upload it to your channel, right? And you go through all the different prompts that YouTube asks for, and then you put it up on your channel, and you're good to go. And pretty soon, you're going to start making some money. Now, once you become a partner with the YouTube Partnership Program, then you can start putting ads in. Now, what I would suggest for these relaxing videos is don't have the ads be interruptive with the audio. So what you can do is there are rollover ads that come up at the bottom. That's probably the best type of ad for this because it doesn't interrupt the audio. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. So I hope you got some great information on this, and I look forward to seeing your channel survive and thrive. All right, so take care and have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Also, please smash that like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell icon so whenever I put up a new video, you'll get notified. And also leave a nice comment down below. Tell me where you're from. All right? Tell me where you're from so I can find some ways to make money in your area. So I will see you later. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day. See ya.